Good morning guys, today we are going to look at the paint on the 90. So I'm back from Norfolk now, having sort of worked on the 110 for 3 days, absolutely knackered, but I'm really pleased that's all done. Be going back in a couple of weeks to pick that up. In the meantime, we're going to be focusing on the 90 for a bit, and I've just come into the paint shop to see what they've been doing while I've been away, and it is quite impressive. So the interior has all been done. Now bear in mind, the whole interior is going to be covered anyway, but we did want it to match. Now it's looking a little bit greener on the camera than it actually is, so it isn't going to be that green. It's actually a lot grayer than that. I might even retouch the footage to get it to actually show you the colour that it is, because for some reason the lighting in here, it is not showing the detail properly. But let's have a quick look around and I'll show you what they've done. So they have gone round it and tried to deal all the little bits and pieces. So we've got a little dent in the wing there that's been retouched. This has been fiberglassed, and that's all ready now. They'll obviously put some dolphin and everything on there when they go ready for paint. There's little areas on it which have all been dealt with. So there was a little dent here that's been done, if you remember. I'll try and put on the video what it looked like before and at the back. So all the interior has been filled now. Still got to repair that hole, but this is getting a second coat. So they're going to do that when that's done. Again, attention to detail, look, little tiny bits and pieces here. That is actually a spot weld, but it's the way it's swollen out a little bit. Then we've got a little bit here that needs to be touched in, but we've got obviously the dent here. That's all been taken care of. Still got a bit of work to be done here and here. But it's all looking good, but I'm really pleased with how the interior has come out. So really nice finish, even though, like I say, it's all going to be covered up. The fact is, it's the right colour underneath all the carpet and all the trim. So this week, the guys are telling me they're going to be doing the paint on the outside, and I'll try and come in and actually film some of that, because I think it'd be good just to see. I mean, I love showing the paint job. I love showing when the paint goes on, because it's just so satisfying seeing the colour change. Obviously this will be primed first, and then it will have the painters over it on the outside. When this is done, which they're hoping this is going to be done this week, the vehicle will come back to me over at the workshop, and then we're going to bring the 3 doors and the windscreen frame back for them to then paint. And then next week I'll be able to start reassembling the 90. So it's really exciting, because things are really starting to happen now on this vehicle. So if you want to see sort of more of the restoration on the paint side of things, let me know in the comments, because I can do a little bit more on that and show you the guys working on it. I can come in, and I'm sure they won't mind me filming it being painted and everything. So if that's something you'd like to see, just let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to accommodate you. So that's it for now. Just a really quick video. I wanted to show you the progress, and just to show you that it is all in hand. And any day now, this is going to be back in the workshop ready to be rebuilt. So I'll catch you on the next one.